So there is an error. Your PHP installation appears to be missing the MySQL extension which is required by WordPress error. Please check that the MySQL PHP extension is installed and enabled. So we will try to resolve this issue in this video. So first you have to log into your cPanel, and after that we will try to change the version if that works. So let's go and type PHP, select, choose this option, select PHP version, and then so 8.2 is a current version. So we will try to change this to 8.1 if that works. Let's see, to apply. So it is already applied. Let's go and check that works. Ta-da! It's working now. So it is working fine. Yep, it's working perfect. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for this kind of videos. Thank you so much.